to learn how to make guacamole with just 2 avocados.
Okay.
I do it? Okay. I am scooping out the avocado.
Yeah.
So we don't need to do.
Okay.
So yeah. Just wait. I just need to scoop this out. I need help to scoop this out. Well, this is really hard to do. That's all I need to say. Just need to say I have hard times doing things I do not know how to do. Making guacamole. And our guest today, I have no idea who our guest is. Oh my god, and now I need to go with the seed. Also, don't take the seed out. You put the seed inside the wok.
Okay.
Yep. Watch the famous bro do it. Okay, and I gotta scoop out the little things. You don't need to scoop out the little things. You can just make guacamole with however you want, but just don't put too much salt. Oh my god, no. Mom, help me. Liberty. Oh my god, get off. And if this is funny, but Uncle Hank is not really funny. I know I am not Uncle Hank, but I call him Uncle Hank, so you don't need to call him Uncle Hank. Okay, I keep scooping it. Oh my god, I can't scoop this. Hooray.
You gotta keep tapping keep the audio going.
Then go with the next one. Yep. And do the same thing. Don't just say, oh, I don't need the seed, so I'm just gonna throw away the seed. Yeah, hear that sound? You're so disgusting. Oh, get out. What You just heard nothing, okay? I did not yell.
And what's your name, young man?
This is my brother.
What?
And Skylar, introduce yourself.
What's your name?
My name is Skylar, and I'll be testing out the guacamole. Or I'll be judging.
Okay. What are you doing now, Sophia?
Mixing it.
Mixing it, okay. Cut into small pieces, right?
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I got a knife. Got that right there. I don't want to get paper cuts or anything. So I'm just gonna do this really small. Yeah. I want to cut all this guacamole.
You want to break it down to small pieces?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
And I want it to be really good to smash it. And I want it to be sweet like guacamole.
Oh. Okay.
And I do not have a mustache.
Glad you don't.
All right, what's the next step?
And also, I am still 6 years old.
Okay.
You mush it good.
We still need to mix it for a long time until it looks like a guacamole, but there's still more.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Keep mixing. Oh! Lemon?
Put a little salt.
Okay.
Take a spoon.
So you mash it up, all the
just
guacamole.
Like, show it, just like that.
Mash everything up and then put the
Put the salt in and then
salt in.
mash everything else so it can be
How much salt you put in there, Sophia?
just a little bit, but I don't know how much salt. But all I know that don't put too much,
Okay.
or else it'll be too salty and then I think they'll die.
Okay, what's the next step?
Well, I'm just gonna mix it until it's good.
Okay, what's the next step after that? After you put the
And
salt,
then lemon.
you have, what do you put? You
Lime. It's called lime.
lime. You squeeze the lime in, right?
Just a little.
You strong enough to do it?
Yeah, you can do. There you go. It's come out. A little bit more, Sophia.
A little bit more.
Yeah, you.
I'm listening to my boss, so I just got squeezed all out.
Good job.
Okay.
My hands are wet. Now just do it the big one.
No,
Mix.
that's good. That's good.
Oh my god. How am I so done? It smells so sour. And then I keep mixing it. Keep mixing it.
It's all good.
Keep mixing it because I don't want the lemon to just spread with one spot. So the whole thing can be sweet and good. So just only not one part can just be sweet. Because that's not gonna be fair to the guacamole. Only one piece of the guacamole will be delicious. So yeah. Keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing
Alright,
it.
is it time to taste?
It's time to test!
Alright.
Wait,
So, this is tortilla chips. And it has a touch of lime. And as you can see here, she put lime in it.
Okay.
And you can get this
Hold on.
fire.
So you're gonna taste it? You're gonna taste
Yes.
Sofia guacamole?
Recipe!
Yep.
It's
Alright, you got the tortilla chip right
The
here.
only thing I'm scared about
Tortilla chip.
is if
Let's
it's
give it a
not good.
taste. Let's give it a taste to see how you like Sofia guacamole.
Does it taste good?
Is it good?
It's
So
good.
1 through 10, how 10 is the best? What is it?
You try it.
Beyond 10.
Beyond 10?
Oh my god, it's so good!
Sofia, good?
It's actually good.
Oh, is that your first time making guacamole? Or you?
It's my first time trying it.
Oh, wow, it turned out really good then. 1 through 10, but
My recipe is famous now.
so 1 through 10, 10 is the best. What is it? How do you rate this?
1
Sofia,
through 10.
10 is the best.
10 is the best, so I presented 10.
You give it 10?
I tried it.
Yeah, okay. It's good.
I'm not gonna eat this.
You can eat this all by yourself, the whole bowl.
Yes.
Oh my god, Scott!
Oh, you should try this.
Scott, you look. Try this recipe, and if you want to try it, then give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't give it a mad face.
Hey.
If you don't like it, because try this guacamole, it'll be extra good. No one's gonna know my recipe because it's too good, even though I made a video. For watching and bye bye. I am in heaven.
Good job, Sophia.
Okay.
My hands are wet, and now just do it the
Mix
big
it.
one.
No,
Mix.
that's good. That's good.
Oh my god.